Hello everyone and welcome back to Rinverse. So today we're talking about USD suspension. They seem to be the trend right now, with every small to big motorcycle in India getting the USD suspensions upgrade. Are they actually worth it? Do you actually need them in Indian riding conditions? Are they actually worth the premium price? Let's talk about it. USD stands for upside down forks. Unlike the conventional telescopic forks where the thicker tube is at the bottom, USD forks have the thicker tube at the top. This design improves rigidity, resulting in reduced flex and enhanced handling. But are these benefits enough for an Indian customer to choose the USDs over the telescopics? The telescopic forks have been around forever, and for a good reason. They are simple, reliable, easy to maintain. They are very durable, they work on every riding condition. They are also cheaper than the USD forks. But being cheaper doesn't make them worse. Here's the reality. Most Indian roads are not racetracks. Potholes, speed breakers, and uneven surfaces are everywhere. While the USD forks may be sharper in handling, but they are also stiffer, which means you're gonna feel these bumps a lot more. Telescopic suspensions, on the other hand, are better for these conditions. They are softer and lighter. Yes, a well-tuned USD suspension should probably do pretty good even in these conditions. But when it comes to being value for money, the telescopics have the USDs beat in these kind of areas. Yes, the USDs do definitely look a lot cooler, and I think most people buy them because they look cool. But also, they're harder to maintain, and if damaged, replacing USDs will cost you significantly more than telescopic suspensions would. Plus, since they're exposed at the bottom, USD forks are far more prone to dirt and damage, meaning they need extra care, especially in Indian conditions. So the question is, should we go for USD suspensions in India? Well, yes. I know it feels like I'm contradicting myself, but all these negatives, all these setbacks will go away once you hit the highway and once you hit a twisty patch of road. If you love a sporty handling motorcycle, you like to ride fast, you like hitting the twisty roads, USD suspensions are gonna make a huge difference to your bike. Front end feel, the stability in the highway, there is no way telescopics can beat it in that aspect. Yes, if you're a much more laid back guy who rides mainly in the city and you want to switch through USD suspensions just for the looks, I would say it's not really that worth it. At the end, it all just depends on what you want from your motorcycle. What do you ride your motorcycle for? For daily use, bad road, easy maintenance, telescopics are for the win. But for performance, yes, the USDs are far better. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe and goodbye.